Monday, 17th of November, not October, and here are today's notices. First up, I have spent my morning busily going through all of the co-curricular forms which have been returned to me. Your form tutors will either have just or will be about to tell you what options you are taking this term. Those of you who have not yet completed the form because you weren't in registration this morning, you need to come to my office now. Also, just to note, particularly with the Monday co-curricular, you need to be on time to those sessions. So if you've got to change for your Monday sessions, you need to change at lunchtime. If you've got to change back, you need to change at afternoon break time. If you need to be in kit for one session, then make sure you're in kit for both sessions. What we're not going to have is people doing, for example, 5-a-side in the first session, then taking 25 minutes to get changed and only having 10-15 minutes of prep time left. So go to prep in your kit, change at break afterwards. Thank you very much indeed. Next up from me, you will notice me coming into your lessons and potentially Mr. Boyle coming into your lessons this week. I'm trying to get myself around as much as I can. I'm there just to see how well you're learning, to see what you're learning, to see what's going on, and to make sure that everything is as it should be. So please don't chat to me in those situations. I'll come round, I might ask you some questions, but just get on with your work as you normally would, because that's what I'm there to see. Next up, speaking of being in lessons, here's a little insight into a science lesson. This is a Year 7 practical. It looks like an egg popping into a funnel, but I don't quite know why, but it looks great. Thank you. Next time, Mrs. Dawson, tell me what's going on so I can explain the science bits. Nearly there. You will remember me a while ago talking about the Holyport College Film Festival. I'm now going to give you a deadline for that. So films submitted for the Holyport College Film Festival must be with me no later than Monday the 1st of December. That still gives you a couple of weeks to get those entrants in. You'll notice there's already a few entrants on Holly Portal, so there's a competition starting here. Get those entries to me by Monday the 1st of December, please. Thank you very much indeed. Final notice from me today is that if you brought in a cake tin, a container, Tupperware for the Children in Need cake sale on Friday, all of that Tupperware is now waiting to be collected in the lobby where the cake sale was over in Milton Fawcett. So please take some time to go and collect your parents' tin or their Tupperware. There's some really nice things here, some of which does have names on as well, so that we can get that home and then everybody will be happy. Have a lovely afternoon. I'll see you all tomorrow.